In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to add Facebook Pixel to Ecwid. To begin, ensure that you have an existing Ecwid account. Next, click on the Facebook tab. If your Ecwid account is not yet upgraded, click on Upgrade to Sell on Facebook. Select the appropriate plan, and once your account is upgraded, click on Connect Facebook page. Choose the associated account you've been using and click on Get Started. In the process of creating your business manager, proceed by clicking on Continue if you have already entered your business name. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.